guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. How y'all been? I know it's been a minute or whatever, but we are back. Sometimes you gotta just take a step back to get yourself together. I know for Alicia and I, we had a lot going on in our personal life and we just needed to just take a moment off. But with that being said, we are officially back and we do have a whole lot of backed up videos that are going to be coming out for you guys, so be prepared to see a lot of us all over your timeline. But yeah, and which brings me into this hair that I have today. I did find this wig on Amazon Prime. I'll go ahead and link it in the description box below, but this wig does come from a company called VshowHair. You guys just saw the packaging. I did pick up their 13 by 6 inch lace front wig, and this is in the body wave texture. Mine is 16 inches long, and this is Brazilian human hair. As usual, I'm just going to go ahead and do what I usually do, which is bleaching my knots and laying up the front perimeter. This process has been done pretty much on the bulk of our videos, so I'm not going to be too in-depth with explaining this. You guys can refer to the video in the card above, as well as some details in the info box below, just in case you guys are new and you guys haven't seen this process done before. Plus, I know you guys don't want to hear my voice. I talk too much. Once I start talking, I just blah, blah, blah. So I'm sure you guys don't want to hear me. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and continue to bleach my knots, and then you guys are going to see me go ahead and do the usual to the front perimeter. But yeah, once I'm finished with that, I will see you guys a little later. So now that I have bleached my knots, I'm now going to further customize just the front perimeter of my hairline. You guys do see that this wig does have that pre-plucked hairline, so this step is totally optional. You don't have to do this. I know a lot of you guys leave comments saying that, oh, this is too much work, or you guys just don't have the patience to do it. Completely optional. You guys don't have to do a single thing that Alicia and I do in these videos, but we do tend to show you guys each step, just because I know a lot of you guys could possibly be new and you guys want to just see the process as it's being done. That's why I like to speed it through, so you guys can just kind of get an overview on how it comes together. However, I will put a more detailed video above in the cards, just in case you guys want to just see something more in depth on how we do this process. I'm sure a lot of you guys who watch a lot of our videos have seen this done a million times before, but we're probably going to include it in most of our videos just for those of you guys who are new. But once again, click the card above in case you guys want to see this process done, you know, more detailed, I guess you can say. However, since we're on the whole topic on hair on our channel, I wanted to touch on the whole Chris Brown situation. Now, I know it's been a couple of weeks, so are we over this yet? Are we done with this yet? We haven't really had the opportunity to talk about it here on our channel, and we really don't talk about things like this on this channel. However, I kind of want to know how you guys truly felt about the whole lyric and what he said about the whole nice hair, good hair. For me, I'm just being honest, that really wasn't a deal breaker. There's plenty of things that Chris Brown has done in his career that has been a complete deal breaker for me. This is just something that everybody tends to say about black women and our hair. However, the thing that really broke me down was the whole pandering after whatever it was that he said about the nice hair. And then once that was unsuccessful, he then started to insult us. So that to me was the deal breaker. I was done after that. However, I want to know how you guys feel. So if you guys want to get the discussion flowing in the comments below, let's go ahead and get a discussion started. I just want to know how y'all feel, because you know this is a hair-based channel and I don't really give my natural hair enough credit, but that will change. I will be kind of touching on protective styles and my natural hair, so you guys stay tuned for that. But once again, I want to know how you guys feel about the whole Chris Brown situation, so let me know. But right now I'm just cutting off the front perimeter of the lace. You guys do see I have those little sharp scissors. I found those on Amazon. I will leave a link below, but I kind of do that whole zigzag method of on cutting the lace. I didn't do a sloppy job on purpose. I did cut it like that because I find that it really makes the front perimeter of the wig look a lot more natural, because I really didn't want baby hairs on this particular unit, so it really did sort of flow in with my skin tone. However, the lace is a smidget too light for me, and that's why I'm going in with a little bit of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Not brighten it up, tone it down a little bit, I guess you can say, because it was just a little too light for me. But go ahead and do that, and then I'm just going in with a little bit of my water, my foaming wrap mousse, just to get rid of that hump. I think it's my braid. Like, I think I did some big old fat braids in my hair because I was in a rush. But it's not the wig, it's just my braid, because it's just kind of sticking up right there. But then I'm going in, just sort of fixing up the front perimeter of the hairline. Y'all know how I do. Then you guys are going to see me go in with my Got To Be glute spray, just to adhere the wig down temporarily. And once I'm finished with that, I will see you guys once I'm done. So here is what the wig looks like. It is a bit on the thinner side. This wig is 150% density. However, it's cool for me. I live in Arizona. It's super duper high. We're like, you know, triple digits right now, like 111, 112. So it works for me. However, if you want a more thicker density, do choose that option. I picked up mine's 150, 16 inches, and it works perfectly fine for me. Off camera, I did add a few curling wand curls, very subtle ones, because I really didn't want to restyle this wig. I wanted to, you know, have that kind of sloppy, you know, effortless curly look, or wavy look, if you can say. However, this is what I'm working with. So you guys do check out VshowHair on Amazon. I will have all the links provided down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.